Hello students, welcome to the second video of the programming in Python. In this video, we will be understanding how to use arithmetic operator and do a simple calculation using the Python software. I hope you have seen my first video which is related to the simple programming in IDLE. If you have not seen it, so please I would recommend you to see that video and then come to this video. First thing, we need to start the IDLE of Python. So I will directly type IDLE in my search bar. So this is the software which I need to run. I will be on my shell screen, but right now I won't do the programming on the shell screen. I need to do it in the screen, programming file. Okay, so I'll create a new file. So at the right side you can see the code where I would be writing, and at the left side this is a shell screen where I would be able to see the output. Okay, so first thing, at the right side I will write down the code. So today we will be learning about arithmetic operators. Print programming on arithmetic operators. There is something as hash which is said to be comment, so we can write down program to understand arithmetic operators. So this is just the line which is said to be a comment statement. This is used in different program in different manner. In Python we represent it by a symbol called hash. Okay, now after hash, whatever I have specified in this line, this would be said to be a comment statement. So this the program won't execute this statement in the compiler. This would be just for the programmer to read it and to see what exactly the program would be doing. So by reading the statement we can see this program to understand arithmetic operator. Okay, now the next line would be, we will do the simple calculation, but I will do it in a compact manner. So first I will let you know how to write down a statement. So print, if I say add, I will say addition, and then I can close the bracket, and then I can write print, and whatever the addition value would be, I will specify that addition value. So that would be 10 plus 5 bracket close. This is one way, or either I can use print subtraction double inverted comma. After double inverted comma I will use comma to separate the content which is being used, and then I will be specifying the things which I want to do. So inside this I want to make something which is 10 minus 5. So there would be something called as subtraction which would be printing, and then afterwards the Python software need to do the calculation. So that is 10 minus 5. So that is represented after a comma. So I will represent a comma, and then I will say, okay, yeah, now you need to do 10 minus 5, or instead of that I can declare a variable. So when we learn declaration of variable, at that time you will come to know why exactly this thing is used. Okay, so this is showing me the subtraction value. Same way for multiplication. So to make it fast, I will copy the statement, paste it, and just rename it here. Multiplication. So I hope you remember, for multiplication I need to use a asterisk sign. So 10 into 5, I am keeping the number same. You can change the number. Same way for division. Division, I would use a slash sign. Division, and then next is to find out the exponent. So exponent would be something a power or some base value to an index value. So there would be something called as power. So 10 raised to power 5 or 5 raised to power 2. So we will get the value of that. For that we will write down the same thing. I will copy the statement. I will write down exponential, and then let's say I want to make it very simple. So 2 star star 2. So 2 raised to 2, it would be represented as 2 star star 2, but as a mathematician we will be reading as it 2 raised to 2 or 2 power 2. So it should be 2 multiplied by 2, 2 times 2. Same way we can do 2 multiplied by 3 or any number power anything, any number. Okay, so we'll see the result afterwards. First I need to show one more statement, which is print, and then I will specify flow in double inverted comma, and then 15 slash 4 bracket close. Now flow, what exactly flow will do is flow will round up the number. Okay, so if you will see 15 divided by 4, we will get a number in decimal, but we don't want to get the number in decimal. So the front slash, the slash will round up the number and show us the result. So first thing first, after completing the program, I will save it, file, save as. So my folder is on desktop, and this is my fourth program.py. Okay, so this is done. After saving, I can directly run. So I will press F5 on my keyboard, or you can go on run button and you can click on the run module button. Okay, so there is some error saying print. So why it is showing me this error? Can anyone guess? I have made a silly mistake. So the command is print, but still it's not working because my Python software, the Python software is case sensitive. So whenever I write down a code, I need to be very particular with the program. So when I am writing print, the P should be small. So here is the output. Here you can see programming on arithmetic operator, which is written in the first line, then addition, and after that I have written print, that is 10 plus 5, it is showing me print. If I wanted to see the output in one line, I can write down this thing as print subtraction 10 minus 5, so it is printing 5. Same way, if I want to multiply, that would be 10 into 5, dividing the number 10 divided by 5, which is giving me 2, and then power, so that would be represented by 2 asterisk sign. So 2 power 2 is 4, and this is 15 divided by 4, but I want to round it up, so I will represent it with double slash. So it is coming 3.7, so it will round up to number 3. It depends upon the software how the things are working. So this is what we have learned in these arithmetic operators. Now in the next session or in the next video, we will learn about relational operators. Using these arithmetic operators, we will be doing n numbers of programming, and we will learn how this calculation will help us to find out even number, odd numbers, and all that stuff. Okay, hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.